Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Keap to import contacts from Gmail. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Keap and press enter. Wait for the Keap homepage to load completely. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a new page that prompts for your credentials. Enter your registered email address into the designated field. Next, input your password in the provided password field. Once both fields are filled, click on the login button to access your account. After successful login, you will be taken to your Keap dashboard. Navigate to the Contacts section on the left-hand side menu. In the Contacts section, look for the option to import contacts. Click on Import Contacts to start the process of importing. You will see various options for importing contacts. Choose the option that says Import from Gmail. Once selected, you may be prompted to connect your Gmail account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Keap access to your Gmail account. After granting access, Keap will display your Gmail contacts. You can select which contacts you want to import into Keap. After making your selections, click on the Import button to finalize the process. Wait for confirmation that your contacts have been successfully imported. Your Gmail contacts should now appear in your Keap contacts list. You are now ready to manage your imported contacts in Keap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.